In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable text cursor navigation in Google Chrome. If you want to move through web pages using your keyboard instead of your mouse, this feature is really useful. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left side and click on Accessibility. Here, you'll find an option called Navigate Pages with a text cursor. This feature is also known as carry browsing. Now simply turn the toggle on. You can also press the F7 key on your keyboard anytime to quickly enable or disable it. Once it's turned on, you'll notice a blinking text cursor appear on web pages. Now you can use your arrow keys to move through text, highlight words, and scroll around pages without using your mouse. This can be really helpful for reading long articles, editing text, or improving keyboard accessibility while browsing. That's how you can enable text cursor navigation in Google Chrome in just a few clicks.